Kevin, you want to give an update on what we're doing?
I just got here and they're struggling to put an intake on.
We're putting a stick in the hole. Gives us 90 horsepower per high quote Richard.
I think they're short.
Hey, this is real horsepower.
Take it off.
I thought you took them all out.
No.
Oh, these are extras.
What's up?
Damn, you got no extras, bro.
It's right there, no?
Kevin, I'm gonna get tighten it while I hold it.
You want to explain what we're doing?
Betting.
All right, so I'm driving Kenneth's car because they're still in class, so we're just gonna go wash the car. Or I'm gonna go wash Kenneth's car while he's still in class. Lewis, you want to say what we're gonna do? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So Lewis is gonna go wash Richard's car, and then Kevin's taking his own car, so we could go wash them for a little photo shoot, I guess. You want to say what we're doing?
All right, so we're washing our cars first. We're starting off the dirtiest.
Which is whose car?
Richard's car.
And after?
And then probably mine, and then finally Kenneth.
Featuring my broken pinky.
Look up what we're fighting for. You being a patient. Had to let the patient. Had to tell it no more. Sure, yeah. Tell me what I need you for. Tell me why we both feel bored. I don't really care no more.
And he's gonna retort it.
All right, Richard.
Oh,
Say what
so
happened.
he was trying to. What was it? What is he called? What was it called?
It was like
Well, he was trying to install something, but we had to take everything off because he forgot to put one of the bolts onto the side.
Yeah.
And Kevin kept pointing it out, and he was shaking it. And then the dude, he was like, I thought he was talking to me, because he was unscrewing something, and I was unscrewing the same thing. And he just goes, "Can you stop? I'm trying to get this done." And then I looked at him, and I was like, look at Kenneth, and Kenneth was like, "Ah."
Like raise his voice at you?
No, he yelled. Like he full on yelled. And I looked at Kenneth, and I was like, is he talking to me or you? And he goes, I don't know. And I was like, all right, man. I got mad.
You should have said
I saw
something.
me send a
Like,
text, like, is he talking to me?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Like,
I was trying not to laugh.
I would have died.
Because he's like, is it out yet? Out yet? And like, I was doing because Rich was like, is it out yet? I was like, no, it's not. And then he's with you. It's already out. He's just with you.
You enjoying it?
Huh?
You enjoying the sub?
Huh?
You enjoying the sub?
Yes, sir.
I wanted to take the part. Goddamn.
It's Kenneth. It's Kevin. All right, so we came to our favorite place in the world, Denny's. After classes, Richard went to go pick up his girl, but apart from that, we're all here, all ready to eat some nice comida.
And if they provide the parts and anyways, she was like, if they provide the parts and that's the final price and you have the money for it and it'll help you pass smog, then yes, you could get the engine swap. Like, I don't have money though. ... And she was like, how do you expect to pay for it? After I said yes, and like ... no comment. And she's like, oh, how would you have paid for it if I said yes? I said, if you asked me for my opinion, I assumed you had the money for it. But ... and then I did the ooh. The ooh emoji thingy, as you can see. And she sighed, and then I put the
What was it?
Basically, the begging emojis.
and she instantly knew it, man. She's like, I'll lose money for my savings. But yeah, that's just a bit.